Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to do a split payment. So I guess the scenario that's most common is someone wants to pay a little bit in cash and then put the rest on a credit card, or maybe a little bit on a gift card and the rest on a credit card. So let me show you where that's at. Obviously, you're going to have to go to the checkout screen. And once you're in the checkout screen, you're going to see all your payment options down here. It's going to default to the total due up here, the total default amount, so that you can just hit cash and it just assumes the exact amount it was given. But let's say they gave you a 20. What you would do is you would just type in 20 and it would replace what's up here. And then you hit the cash button. So now we have the cash 20 showing up here, but we still have a total due of $27.72. We're going to go back to checkout again. Now we see that the $27.72 is up there again. So now you can either do credit card from this point and do the rest on credit card, or you can do custom tender, whichever one you want to do. I will recommend that I usually recommend doing the cash payment first before the credit card. I think you can do either or as long as you type in the amount first and then hit the tender, but I always recommend doing the cash first, just makes it simpler. But then you just do the custom tender or credit card, and you get your total due as 0 after that and should have all the payments. But that's all there is to it. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.